Hey there, I'm John, and I'm the content strategist at ProSource. Today we're going to quickly walk through installing the VMware Horizon Client on Windows. This app is also compatible with Mac and mobile devices. If you have Mac OS, we'll have a separate video for that. You can check the link in the description to find that video. For now, let's just get started with installing the VMware Horizon Client on Windows. To get started, we'll go to our connection server URL, which is view2fa.prosourcehosted.com. And we'll hit the install VMware Horizon Client link. And it's going to take a couple of seconds for it to download here, so we'll just stand by while it downloads. But once it's downloaded, we'll go ahead and open the file here. And it's going to prompt me to install. I'm going to hit yes. Here's where we can make life a little easier for ourselves. If we hit customize installation, we can enter the default connection server URL. Companies can have their own customized ones, or the default, which is view2fa.prosourcehosted.com. Same one to grab the installer. And we'll go ahead and agree and install there. So we'll hit finish. And it's going to ask us to restart. This is an important step. Make sure you do that. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. So once we've restarted, I've opened the app here, and we have the default connection server that we entered in when we customized the installation. I'm going to go ahead and double click and open it. And we're prompted for a username and password, and then you'll log in like normal. To find out more about our cloud workspaces, get in touch with one of our friendly cloud experts.